Good morning. May 1st, a little chilly here in Bavaria. I woke up this morning, it was about 32 degrees, 0 Celsius for those people who think in European. I want to talk about one of the obstacles that we're having to deal with here is the immigration visa and green card for Petra. I understand why, and it's a good thing, but at the same time it is massively frustrating to have to jump through so many hoops for an American citizen to get their spouse legally into the United States. We have been planning this for a while, and we filed the necessary paperwork earlier this year in March. And the average wait time from start to finish varies. Could be 6 months, could be a year, who knows? They don't really have any set processing time. And it's massively frustrating and expensive. Just to file the first form was $535. And that's just the first one. The estimated total will be somewhere along the lines of $1,400. And that doesn't count travel expenses or anything. That's just the paperwork to get visa and green card for Petra. And the immigration thing, I understand why a lot of it is. And yet, it's ridiculous because people go into the United States every day illegally, and their first act in trying to immigrate to the country is to break the law. And that just irks me to no end. We're trying to do it the correct legal way, and it's a hassle. There's something backward with the system. Had we taken a vacation into the United States and just stayed, we could have had the whole thing done and processed in 4 to 6 months. But there's a chance it could have been rejected, and there's still a chance it could be rejected, but a smaller chance. And it's not something that we really want to have to do, is to be illegal to start with. That's getting off on the wrong foot. But it's massively frustrating. The first form that we had to do was the I-130, applicant for spousal visa or something. I don't remember the exact name of it. But it's 12 pages. And each and every section of that 12 pages, both background information for her and I, have to be documented with supporting evidence. When I mailed the packet off to the embassy, it was about 1.25 inches thick. That's kind of ridiculous. Petra's been in and out of the United States over the past 30 years, multiple times. When we were married the first time around, she had a green card then. But those do expire, believe it or not, every 10 years or so. And it's just stupidly ridiculous. I mean, when I came to Germany here, the whole process to get my resident visa card took 10 days. That's it. 10 days. I went into the office, filed the paperwork. They called me back, took pictures, thumbprinted me, and gave me the card in a week. It's really silly that when you're going from one of America's allies into the United States with a wife who is a native of that allied country, that you have to go through so many frickin' hoops. It's ridiculous. Alright, that's all I got to say. Later. If you like, subscribe. There'll be more videos on in the future.